Hi, this is Jessica DaMassa with GuideWell. We're here in the Health Innovation Lab at Exponential Medicine, and we're talking to startups about some of the challenges of breaking into the healthcare industry. So I'm here with Jonathan Ozeran, who's really actually quite successful at breaking into the healthcare industry. More on that later. So Jonathan is the Chief Technology Officer?
Head of Product.
Head of Product and Technology for Zest Health. It's close enough. So Jonathan, tell us a little bit about your company. Tell us what you guys do.
Sure. So we're just under 2 years old. We're really focused on making it really easy for consumers to engage in their health through a concierge. And it's a staff of nurses, benefits experts, and folks who have a lot of information that's typically hard to get. We do that as more of a next generation advocacy service.
Okay, so how is this really meeting the needs of today's consumer? And where do you see a pivot to meet the needs of tomorrow's consumer?
Sure. So we want to take the hassle away from engaging in your health. For us, when you first log into the app, it's all presented in there for you. Benefits information, appointment scheduling, it's all by default configured. So we don't have to have any hassle, ask a lot of questions. And we feel that there's a lot of healthcare startups making that process really complicated. And then we arm them with human-centric technology. We have a 24/7 concierge that's on our staff to help.
Excellent. So like I said, my teaser is that you guys have been really successful in terms of getting into healthcare, and I know you've just recently received a nice investment. So tell us a little bit about that, what the process you went through to get that investment, and some of the things that you're looking forward to doing with this new infusion of capital.
Sure. So we've been lucky to have really strong venture partners since day one, Seven Wire Ventures and Lightbank in Chicago. And we added in our A round just in August a number of other third parties. So those strategic healthcare thinkers, Martin Ventures in Nashville is one, and then we have Blue Cross Blue Shield, Zaffer Investments out of Massachusetts, that's another, amongst a larger group that brings us into healthcare and allows us to extend our service to more employers in the mid and large scale, as well as health plans. So we're working on Blue Cross Blue Shield Rhode Island as a partner of ours,
Sure.
A number of others.
Excellent. So what's the challenge of maintaining relationships with so many different investors?
I think that all the investors are looking for disruption and looking for a lot of what you see on the show floor here next door, and looking for technology that can strictly impact the consumer now and in the future. And so we're with a solution that has been impacting lives for a year and a half, and we're looking to scale and grow that, as well as position ourselves for the future.
What are some of the limiting factors to you being able to scale? And I know that's a big challenge, especially in healthcare where the model is complicated and there are so many different players. So what are you doing to overcome some of the challenges that you're having for scaling?
I think growing the team is really core to it. Cementing our sales strategy across multiple different areas, whether it's employer to health plans, building our product and technology team with not just those who can do it, but those wanting to make a disruption and make a dent on healthcare, and bringing an eclectic assortment of folks who have deep domain knowledge in healthcare and technology.
What are you most excited for next? Next 12 months.
Everything here is getting me very, very excited about the immediate future. But for us, it's a concierge service and a mobile technology. Every Friday we go through and find out how many lives we've impacted through our concierge, and our storytelling is very exciting. As we add more zeros, that gets really compelling for me to enable more technology and product to help more people.
Excellent. More zeros, more technology. That's our key takeaway here. So best of luck to you, Jonathan, and to everybody at Zest Health. Thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure. I don't think there's voting, but we're up for a Media Award tomorrow. So
oh, you are?
Stay tuned for more.
Oh, fantastic. Well, good luck. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Yep.